Chestnut Hill Nursery. Today, we're going to talk about fertilizer. Simply put, fertilizer adds nutrients to help plants grow better. Most of us buy our fertilizers at stores, and that can be a little confusing. What do these numbers mean? Should I buy liquid or granular? Slow release or fast release? Let's take a look together. Without getting too technical, the three numbers mean available nitrogen, phosphate, and potassium. By law, it's always in that order. If you see a bag of fertilizer with 10, 10, 10, that means 10% available nitrogen, 10% phosphate, and 10% potassium. The rest of the bag is filler and nutrients, usually designed for specific plants, such as flowers, roses, vegetables, trees, shrubs. You get what I mean. What does that mean to your plants? Nitrogen promotes chlorophyll, producing greener, more quickly growing plants. Phosphate promotes root growth, flowering ability, and bloom size. And potassium enables the photosynthesis process, enabling the plant to handle cold spells, insect attacks, and drought. Fertilizers come in liquid and granular forms. Liquids are usually highly concentrated and need to be mixed with water before being applied to your plants. Liquids are usually easier to apply evenly. Granular fertilizers have little beads or grains that you spread around the plant. It might be a little more difficult to do so evenly, but a granular fertilizer needs to be watered to absorb into the plant, and it takes a little time. So granular can fertilize for up to weeks or even months. Similarly, fertilizers come in fast or quick release forms as well as slow release forms. Both can work well in any garden depending on your fertilizing needs, plant nutritional requirements, and condition of your soil. Read the label specifically for instructions and uses. You don't want to over-fertilize your plants. Over-fertilizing can actually cause burning of your plants, and then they die. We don't want that. And if you have any questions about fertilizer, stop by our awesome garden center and talk to one of our expert team members. We're always here to help you find the right fertilizer for your plant needs. Have a great day.